The D.S. Brown Company, headquartered in Northwest Ohio, is recognized as the leading U.S. manufacturer of expansion joint assemblies for the highway and bridge construction industries. From the highly engineered neoprene extruded shapes, compression seals, bridge seals, and strip seal expansion glands, to the new greater movement demands of the industry, D.S. Brown continues to set the standards for product innovation and product quality. In the mid-1980s, D.S. Brown introduced Delcrete, an elastomeric concrete. Delcrete serves as the rigid yet flexible connection between concrete roadways and expansion joints, and greatly minimizes the destructive spalling of concrete from the pounding forces of traffic. In the past decade, Delcrete has firmly established itself as the premier and most widely specified and used elastomeric concrete in the industry. The impressive list of specifiers continues to grow as design engineers and contractors recognize the superior performance, handling, and installation characteristics of Delcrete. Others have tried, unsuccessfully, to match this unique combination of simple product preparation and outstanding physical properties. The proprietary Delcrete system features a simple mixing procedure with uncomplicated equipment available from D.S. Brown. The resultant admixture of elastomeric binder and reinforcing materials has outstanding flow characteristics, which assures complete and intimate coverage of Delcrete throughout the blockout. An optimum balance of working time and setup time has been developed for Delcrete without applying any external heat to the system. In most cases, the roadway may be open to traffic within 1 hour after the final Delcrete pour. This video is intended to highlight certain procedures and features of Delcrete Elastomeric Concrete. These include a simulated blockout installation, certain laboratory tests, some environmental health and safety aspects, and new applications. We have prepared a small concrete blockout to simulate a highway rehabilitation situation. High-quality D.S. Brown strip seals are featured. Using the rail and rebar assembly as a template, the bolt hole locations were marked, the holes drilled, and the expansion bolts inserted. These bolts serve as leveling devices for the strip seal assembly, and for installation accuracy are preferred over hanging devices which suspend the rails over the blockout. The rails are leveled to grade using the attachment nuts. The bolt tabs are welded near the center of the rails, making it easier to level the entire system to grade. After sandblasting and air sweeping, a proprietary primer is applied to the critical surfaces to ensure good adhesion between the concrete and Delcrete. The flow of Delcrete is directed properly by sealing off the rails with backer rods. The center of the blockout with styrofoam, and the road surfaces with masking tape. Delcrete is mixed and poured in place using a batch method. Measured amounts of Part A and Part B of the binder are poured into the simple bread dough type mixer. After approximately 1/2 minute of mixing, weighed amounts of sand and fiberglass are added, and mixing continues for about 1 minute. The mixed Delcrete is poured into the blockout while it is still fluid. The working time is between 4 and 7 minutes, depending on outside working temperatures. Once in place, Delcrete hardens rapidly. After the styrofoam is removed, the neoprene gland is installed. An adhesive lubricant brushed on both the rail and the neoprene gland eases the insertion of the gland into the recesses of the rail. This completes the installation of the expansion joint. In review, the critical steps in installing a highway expansion joint follow.